This is a motorcycle starter relay. In this case, it is located next to the battery, and more or less on most motorcycles, it looks similar and is positioned in a similar spot. A relay is essentially a simple mechanism, an electromagnet that, when activated, allows current to pass through to the starter. We're going to open the relay. We've removed the protective rubber cover. And now we'll take off the metal casing. We'll also remove the part that holds the wires. This is the plunger. And these are the coils of the electromagnet. When current flows through the coils, this small plunger is pulled in and releases the copper contacts, which you'll see shortly. So, there's a small spring here, which is held compressed by the plunger when the electromagnet is inactive. When the electromagnet activates, the plunger is pulled downward and releases the central contact, which then connects the two outer contacts. That's how it works. These two outer contacts, through these nuts, conduct power from the battery to the starter. Now, we'll remove everything to clean and repair the internal contacts. You have to be careful here not to tear this small rubber ring. Now that we've disassembled everything, let's check whether the coil is functioning properly. If the multimeter shows continuity, i.e., no resistance, that means the coil is working. So, the coil is functional. Here's the part that needs to be sanded down. This is how it works. When the spring is released, it creates contact between these two plungers. And here's what the relay looks like taken apart. Since we've cleaned everything, we'll now go in reverse order, reassemble it, and check if everything works, and if the relay functions as it should. We've reassembled the relay. We'll apply battery power to the coil. This simulates starting the motorcycle when everything is assembled on the bike. We'll place the tester probes on the main contacts. The click of the electromagnet activating and the plunger moving is clearly audible. So, everything is working properly. We'll also add extra protection for these wires. This relay can go back onto the motorcycle. When doing repairs like this, it's a good idea to record or photograph your work process so you have a visual reference later on for where each part goes. If you like this video, click like and subscribe. See you next time.